Alright everybody, I don't usually do videos like this. This was a find I got today. My mother called me at work and said they got ground meat at one of my local markets, our local market, the one we always go to close to home. And I work a pretty good clip away from here. So I had to make a pretty long trip back to the house. But anyway, they had ground meat, fresh ground meat. You can see that for $1.99 a pound with these 10-pound tubes, right around 10-pound tubes. So not too bad. Happy to get it. I like me some ground meat. And what I'm gonna do, they had a limit of 8 on these. I'm just looking at it while I'm talking slow. They had a limit of 8, so I got 8 of them. And I think I ought to. So anyway, this is the receipt. So that was the final price right there, and I saved $242 because there's a lot more. I mean, that's a severely cut price. I looked at these the other day, just this past weekend. This is Tuesday. I looked at this over the weekend, and this was $67 for a 10-pound tube. $67 is what I just said. And today it's $19.70. $19.18. So a little bit less than 20 bucks and change here. A little bit less than 20 bucks. Well, here's a little bit over 20 bucks. So anyway, I'm gonna get the process in this to fit in, to go ahead and fit in not food saver, but you know, vacuum seal bags. It says product of USA, so that's what I was looking to see. Make sure it says product of USA. I hope that means that's right. I don't know, there's so many ways to get around those laws of saying where it came from. But anyway, 80 pounds of ground meat for 160 something bucks, $168.21. Not bad to me. What a good haul. I'm excited about it. I already had a pretty good bit of ground meat stashed back, but I could not pass up this deal. I'm gonna process this into frozen, not Ziploc bags, but not food saver. It's an off-brand vacuum seal bags. I got a bunch of those, and it's gonna take me a while to get it done, so I want to get it done. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right, I ain't got much left, but this is how I do this. See how I cut these like this, and I do this. Now I used to cut them thicker, but my daughter and my wife said they like thinner hamburgers. But I cut them in hamburgers, but it doesn't matter what you use them for. I mean, we pull them out for tacos or whatever you use ground beef for. But anyway, that's what I do. And then I'm gonna save them with the vacuum sealer. All right, just letting y'all see. All right, I took these little patties I made. I've got 2 of them sealed. I put them in this little bag I cut. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Okay, we're gonna give it a try like that. You gotta clip it down. There, it sucks out. You get a little seepage. Now it's sealed, and you got the little dot shut off. I'm gonna hit the steel button again, give it a little bit extra heat. And then that's it. There we go. Pretty nice, huh? Alright, well, I'm gonna do the rest of these and I'll get back to y'all sometime later. Well, hello everybody, it's me again. I just wanted to show y'all a quick little pickup I made, a little prep run. They had these Jimmy Dean maple pork sausages, premium pork sausages. I've seen these run for just a pack like this for as high as $5 and some cents, almost $6. I picked up a bunch of them the other day for $1.59. Well, today I picked up 12 more of them. My mom wants 10. I'm gonna just take 2. I already got a bunch of them. I bought it at $1.59. But today, look at that J. Dean maple sausage, 12 at 97 cents a piece. So 12 of them for less than $12. And then I picked up 2 more rolls of 10-pound ground beef. You can see what they charging per pound here, $1.99 a pound. And I got 2 of them. Fresh ground meat, $1.99. Fresh ground meat, $1.99. I went and got 2 more of them. Y'all can see $1.99 a pound. I got it on there. $1.99 a pound. $1.99 a pound. So look at that, you saved $122.78, because I'm telling you, these things are regularly over $5 a pop. I might go back, and they were bringing out more and more of these little cases here. I might go back and buy me a few of those cases. I mean, can't beat that. I like these little things. They're pretty good. You slice them, or you can mix this with deer meat and make use this to cut the sausage when you're making sausage with deer meat, deer sausage, and smoke it. It comes out just fine. Anyway, I figured that was a pretty good little pickup there. The other items on there, I got some beer, I got some sugar and stuff, and some coffee. They had a little good deal on that Javalia coffee. That's just $5.99 a pack, so I got 2 of them. Good little store we got right close to here in the middle of nowhere. That is not my date of birth. I ain't been around that long. Yeah, she just put it in there, I guess. Oh, that was for the beer. They had to put something in there. Okay, anyway, just wanted to say, always prepping. I could have got 6 more of these in addition to this, but I'm getting kind of, I need a break from vacuum sealing this stuff. I just vacuum sealed 6 of these. It takes a while. And you know, when I stack them, that's them right there, the ones I've done already. So you can kind of see, and I had a whole bunch of ground meat already in that drawer down there. That thing's full of ground meat. And then I got ground meat and steaks and briskets and Boston butts and fish and bacon and all kind of stuff, sausages. I just got all kind of stuff. I'm trying to fill them up. Yeah, so this is just one of my 5 freezers. So anyway, that's it. I don't want to keep it open too long. Just wanted to show you, always prepping, always prepping.